Not gonna eat that.
You can eat that bit if you want.
No.
So good?
Mm.
Alright, watch your fingers. You got to chop it up little now. See? That's a good knife, isn't it? Good job, mate.
Mm.
No, we're not eating it. We're chopping it up. Now chop it up in little bits so you can put it here. Maybe you're going to chop your finger holding it that way.
Mm.
Yeah, chop it again. Chop it little, but watch your fingers. Make sure your fingers are out of the way. See it? See it? Yeah. Hold a little bit with your fingers. Hold a little bit with your fingers, Ryan.
Okay.
That's it. Make more little bits like that. Can you do that? Make more little bits. Hold it with your other hand so it doesn't roll away. That's it.
Right.
Good job.
Hello.
You got to hold it with your other hand. Yeah, just a little bit so it doesn't roll away. Good job. Cut the rest up. Good work. Getting good with this knife, aren't you? And chop that bit a bit more.
Yeah.
You want it a bit smaller.
Hello. Mm.
The whole tomato never makes it, does it? Chop that one smaller and put it in there. Don't eat it. No more eating. Good work, mate. Watch it now. You've got to hold it a little bit. Otherwise, look what happens. Everything moves. That's better. Good job.
No, Charlie.
Hmm?
Charlie.
Charlie, yeah, you went to music today with Charlie, didn't you?
Right.
Alright, what's next? Push him in there, in the middle bit, like this one.
Yeah.
Like that. Yeah, something like that.
Well,
Put another one in here. No. You want to squish it in there because it's going to be a little cup. Little tortilla cup. Can you put another one in? Put that one there. Over here. In there. That's it.
Right.
Good chopping, right? Yep. Get all these yucky bits out of the way. And chop it up little, like this bit.
Oh, no. Hello.
That's it. Good work.
Right. Whoa, look at that, Mum.
Yeah.
Right. Whoa, look at that, Mum.
Good job. You got to mush it up and mix it around. Here's the handle here. You need the handle. Got to mush it up a bit. Yeah, mush it up a bit, like that.
Oh, God, Mum.
Turn it down a bit.
You got there a bit, Mum.
Good job.
Whoa. Is it a wet, Mum?
Yeah.
Oh, my God. No time now.
Oh, that's all right. Let's put this on. Goodness me. There, get the seasoning and tip that in there. And then you got to mix it up.
My God, Mom. Salt?
No, it's seasoning.
Yeah.
Tip that in
Nice.
and then mix it up. That's it. Right, now you got to mix it all up.
Nice.
Yep, hold the handle.
Oh.
That's it, quick, mix it up before it burns, dude.
Oh, I've done it.
That's it, good work.
Well,
Mix it all in,
yeah.
yep. Jack's right.
Jack, you boy. Mum, Mum,
You're going to give Jack some dinner?
Yeah.
Oh.
Alright. Come on.
He's keen.
What the hell?
He's keen.
Yeah.
Mix it up good, quick. It's all still powdery in there. Keep mixing, mate. Mix quicker.
Whoa! Oh my God! Did you mix it, Mum?
Yeah, you got to mix it up good, don't you? Yeah.
Yeah, there, Mum. Boy. There.
You're going to give Jack some dinner?
Yeah. Whoa, look at that, Mum.
Yeah, it looks pretty good, doesn't it?
This has a minute, alright? Good boy. Right, wait a minute. Oh, God.
What's going on there?
Oh, okay.
You got it?
Oh, hold on. What's that?
What are you getting? You gonna need a spoon or something?
Right. Yeah, okay.
Alright.
What the hell was that?
It's just a silly car down the road. Tomato.
No, the sauce.
Sauce? You're gonna put some sauce on?
I don't remember the way. Right,
Not too much.
Whoa, look at that, Mum.
Yeah. Looks pretty good.
Yeah.
I just want to see how you're gonna eat it.
Yeah, too. Oh, goodness.
You want some lettuce? Just a little bit? Good job.
Look at that, Mum.
Yeah. Are you putting some cheese on there?
Oh, you got the sauce.
Hmm?
That's what it is.
Right, yeah, you're eating that.
Whoa. Look at that, Mum.
Mm.
Not really, honey.
It's a bit crazy,
What the
isn't
hell?
it? They're a bit crazy, aren't they? What do you reckon?
They're good.
They're good.
What? I'm not.
Have another bite. Try and squish it together or something.
What? Oh, good day.
Hmm?
Thank.
You want to wrap?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'm with you, mate. Tip it all in there. Tip it in there.
Alright. Dad, pass on a minute.
Yeah. Rightio, wrap that up and see what that's like.
Dad, just a minute. I got Jim.
Rightio, wrap her up.
A bit. Dad, just said I got Jim. Alright, there.
That's it.
Whoa, look at that, Mum.
That'll work. I think that works a bit better than that. Bit more practical, isn't it? So get a thumbs up. Good job.